Have you ever noticed your truck wandering in the lane or having an excessive amount of play in the steering? Does your truck seem to be constantly out of alignment or wearing front tires quickly? The problem could be a loose Pitman or idler arm. A factory design flaw in many GMC and Chevy trucks allows the Pitman and idler arms to wear prematurely, allowing your steering and alignment to come out of adjustment. The Cognito Steering Alignment Brace Kit fixes the flaw in all GMC and Chevy vehicles. Keep your truck driving like new even after thousands of miles. The Cognito Steering Alignment Brace Kit is inexpensive, easy to install, and easy to order. Improve fuel mileage, increase tire life, and reduce wear and tear on your steering components. Save yourself the hassle and thousands of dollars in unnecessary alignments and tires. Fix the flaw. Go to CognitoMotorsports.com or call us at 866-426-4648. Cognito Motorsports.